Aloha everybody. So today we have some Happy Mail from Auntie Triple G's. I'm gonna go and do a little unboxing. Nevaeh knows that she has something in there. So the first things I pull out is Nevaeh's favorite. This is the duck jerky. Look how crazy. Are you a crazy girl? She knows, see? Sit down. Okay. She loves this stuff. Thank you, Auntie. Sit down. She loves it. Thank you so much. Yeah, she loves it. She got two of these. Oh, and I got a lip balm. Thank you. Thank you so much. I wasn't even expecting a package. Oh, another one for Nevaeh. Oh, yeah, she needs this for her teeth. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. She's a crazy girl. Oh, this is so cute. Hello, beautiful. This is nice. Oh, cute. I'm gonna use this so Nevaeh can't bother me. Thank you, Auntie, so much. We really appreciate it. Oh, I love my coffee things. This is so cute. I love all the wood. I love the wood stuff, the decorations. Oh, cute. How do I take my coffee seriously? Very seriously. That's so cute. Hold on, sister. Let's do this first. Oh, this is nice. I like this. It's a makeup vanishing towel. This is cool. I love these stuff. It's good. Alrighty, thank you so much, Auntie. I really appreciate it. We're gonna send you a box soon. I just been kind of sick lately. Oh, look. How crazy are you? Go down and I'll give you something. Go down. Get down. Stop acting crazy. Look at her. Sit down. Sit. Okay, I'm gonna give her one more only. One more only. Okay? I gotta hide the rest. But thank you again, Auntie. We really love it. And we see all you guys in our next video. Don't forget to follow Triple G's. I'll link her channel down below. And you guys have an awesome day or an awesome night. I'll see you guys later.